In this video, I'll show you how to use Keyword Planner for Google Ads so you can discover search terms and plan more effective campaigns. Start by logging into your Google Ads account and clicking the Tools icon at the top of the dashboard. Under the Planning section, select Keyword Planner, which is Google's built-in research tool for identifying keywords and estimating demand. Choose Discover New Keywords to begin your research, then enter a few seed phrases related to your product, service, or topic. These initial ideas help the tool generate a broader list of keyword suggestions that people are actively searching for. After clicking Get Results, review the metrics such as average monthly searches, competition level, and estimated top-of-page bid ranges. These numbers provide general planning guidance rather than exact future performance. Use the data to identify relevant keywords, group related terms together, and prioritize phrases that match your campaign goals and budget. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.